Hey everybody, welcome to a midday mail call unboxing of shave gear. It is lunch. It is Friday. Man, I'm sweaty and all. UPS underneath shirt. We're doing an unboxing, guys. Huge unboxing from the Shaving Shop Club, aka Ariana and Evans. If you guys do not know about the Shaving Shop Club, using my little kunai to open up the box. Shaving Shop Club is Ariana and Evans branded stuff, and you're a member and you pay like, that broke. You pay like $9.95 for a 6 months membership, and everything's already at a discounted rate. And then like you buy 4 soaps, you get 7% off on top of everything else, and then 8 soaps, it's like, anyways. It's kind of that deal. Don't know how much we're supposed to really go into it, but there we go. All right, guys. Here we are, quick unboxing. I kind of want to do an Ariana and Evans. He put it in the USPS bags. We got splashes. We got Brooklyn. It's in the Ultima base. Santorini. And London, guys. London, you can only get London from the Shaving Shop Club. That is a great tea scent, hands down. We're going to sniff it. I smelled it. I got rid of it at one time. Should have never gotten rid of it. Awesome soap. Awesome scent. The new London label. Doesn't smell as much as I just delivered it to myself. And it's hot in there, so it kind of messes with the smells. Man. I hope it ends up settling out and smelling like the old one I had. Or maybe my scents have just changed. Ariana and Evans Brooklyn, Ultima base. Very spicy. We'll have to see how that one turns out. That one's very spicy, definitely not for this time of year. This one I was excited about for this time of year. This is the Santorini. Ooh. I think I got a leaking something. Damn it. Something's leaking. Oh, it's the soap. It is the soap. It smells nice, but guys, I can't. It's the cream. It's... So you get this in the mail. You need to let it cool down before you start opening it. The cream will go everywhere. So there you go, guys. Don't know what that one smells like, but when your Ariana and Evan creams come in, be very careful opening them. And guys, this is what I wanted to try. It's why I did the Shaving Shop Club, because I know he sells things at a discount, and if I buy enough stuff, I get a bigger discount. And the Daniel Malul line, which that's a huge aftershave bottle, guys. How many ounces is that? 8.5. Okay, so that's understandable. All right, let's get into it. Ugh. Ugh. How big is the tub? Man, I will tell you, the packaging, I mean, it's high-end. It's nice. It's really high-end packaging. Latte and Minta. That, you got this coloration on the bottom. Like there's white on the bottom, but it's kind of creamy on top. And I think that may just be the air, and it'll slowly probably turn that color. Oh, that's nice. It's like an Andes mint, but not too chocolatey, not too minty. That's a nice scent, guys. Whew. I think that's it. Making a short video. That's the unboxing. Tune in for future videos if you want to see any of this reviewed. And after a couple of weeks, I think I'm going to do just like an Ariana and Evans video and talk about the tiers of soaps he carries and all that stuff. And hopefully that'll turn out to be a good video y'all are interested in, and you know which ones I think are better and where I think you're best like spending the money for the bases. But all right, guys, made it this far. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that noti bell. We're about to go out there and sweat it off again. Sweat it all out. Whatever. I don't know. But we're about to go out there work my ass off in the heat delivering boxes. All right, guys, catch you next shave.